Hello, my name is Moisan and today I'm going to be making delicious, homemade, soft cinnamon buns. Shout out to Zilla for giving me this idea, and if you guys have any ideas that you want me to do, just, let me know in the comments down below. That would be greatly appreciated. To begin with, let's make this dough, shall we? As per usual, the quantities for the ingredients that I'm using in this recipe will be in the description down below in case you want to recreate this at home. Heat up 250 milliliters of milk until it reaches about room temperature. You want it to be lukewarm. We're also going to melt 100 grams of butter. To a large mixing bowl, add 500 grams of bread flour. If you don't have any bread flour, then plain flour is a perfect substitute. Add our lukewarm milk, our melted butter, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon instant yeast. Okay, and just mix all these ingredients together until you get a dough. Flour a clean surface. Knead the dough until it is sticky no more. Plop the dough in a bowl, cover with a tea towel, and leave to rise for at least an hour. Okay, so I've got a little cheeky life hack for you guys. For the next step when we're making the filling, we need a nice softened butter. So I've got my butter here, and I'm just gonna leave it outside on this table to soften for a couple of minutes. Whilst the dough is rising, we're going to prepare the cinnamon filling. In a small bowl, add 150 grams of our softened butter, 150 grams of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Mash all the ingredients together with a fork, and then that is the filling done. Okay, so our dough has finished rising, so now it is time to assemble our cinnamon roll. Plop the dough out on a floured surface, like this. Roll the dough out into a rectangle. If you want to be super precise, then the dough should approximately be 45 centimeters by 35 centimeters. Dollop your filling onto the dough. Spread the filling out using the back of a spoon or a palette knife if you have one. Make sure to spread the cinnamon all the way to the edges. So once you've done all the filling, gently and carefully roll your dough up. So now we're going to take a serrated knife and we're going to slice the log into 12 equal sized rolls. That is a cinnamon boy. Grease yourself 1 baking tray. Place your cinnamon buns on the baking tray. Dangerous. No. Cover the cinnamon buns with a tea towel and leave to prove at room temperature for 30 minutes. Whilst the dough is proving, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Bake the cinnamon buns in the oven for around 20 minutes. Leave the cinnamon buns to rest for 10 minutes. For the icing, add 125 grams of icing sugar to a medium-sized bowl. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just gradually trickle in a little bit of water until you reach the consistency that you want. Okay, so this looks like a good sort of consistency to me. So now we're gonna ice our buns up. Let's go. Carefully drizzle your icing over your cinnamon buns. If you want a little bit more icing, then feel free just to make as much as you want. And that is how to make delicious homemade cinnamon buns. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.